Hey guys, what's going on today? I wanted to make a video of unboxing a 1000 watt LED light. So, let's get started here. Alrighty. Got this for a really good deal. Got a Christmas deal online. Costed me a little over, actually a little under $100. So, it's just a generic LED light. Not gonna really talk a whole lot about it because I'm not exactly sure about it. Not sure about the specs or anything. They're online though somewhere. As you can see. LED light. I just opened it up. Looks good so far. Alright, there's the ballast. Alright. Ambient temperature. Not waterproof, okay. LED grow light, input current 85 to 65 volts, input current 3.3 to 8 amps. Nothing really on the wattage here, or the true watts or anything like that, but I do know it's 1000 watts, so. Everything on the inside looks good. Can't really see on the inside, but it looks set up nicely. A bunch of wires and whatnot. So that's that. Wires. And the hanging fixture. So let's plug in this bad boy and see what happens. Moment of truth. It is China made. So I'm going to be very careful with it. Not saying it's of poor quality, but you know, China made stuff is. It's not guaranteed, you know? Especially for the deal I got. But no problem, if it doesn't work, I just send it back. Oh, see, now that's a problem right there. The cord isn't very long. And I don't really want to put 1000 watts on this system I've already got. I already got a lot of wattage going here in one outlet. Not a whole lot, but enough where I wouldn't want to put 1000 watts in. But anyway, let's plug this in. Just test it out. I don't think this plug is plugged in, but I could be wrong. Holy shit. Woo! Let there be light! Holy shit, that is bright. I don't know if it's full. I think it said full spectrum on the title. I'm not sure though. God damn it. Is it brighter than that one? Yeah, it's definitely brighter. Well. Cool. That's it. 1000 watt LED light. Ready to go. In there.